Let me welcome the Civil Senator George Thompson Sekibo. Thank you very much for being here. We appreciate you. Politician, obeying man, lawyer, Senator Magnus Abe, I celebrate you. Thank you very much. Senator Olaka Wogu, you're also here. We love you. We appreciate you. Thank you for coming. Professor Senator Sandy Ono, we also say thank you for coming. Honorable Victor Gadom, also here. Thank you very much. Ambassador Desmond Akao, Ambassador, former Minister of State, a wonderful Nigerian patriot, and I love your cap. You're welcome. Thank you very much. Ambassador Frank Owo, former Attorney General of Rivers State, wonderful guy. We also welcome you here. I welcome all of you to this amazing flag off. Let me welcome here the company that will be constructing the road. They have been in Nigeria in the market space for more than 12 years. They have over 51,000 staff, and their specialty is in roads and bridges. Their MD is here, Engineer Eli Tanus. I welcome you.
Your Excellency, the Honorable Minister, Barrister Ezenwu Nyeson Wike, CON, the Honorable Minister of State, Dr. Maria Mahmoud, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, permit me to stand on the already established protocols. Today, we gather not merely to commence another project, but to mark the beginning of a new chapter of progress and transformation. It's within the framework of the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, and with much joy that we are today witnessing the flag off of the construction of road with 2 number bridges to connect the central business to Wuse District along the transitway and 2 corridor. This initiative carries with it hope, opportunities, and the promise for a stronger Federal Capital Territory. It's with great honors and humility that I speak on behalf of the Board of Directors and staff of Levant Construction Limited, the civil engineering arm of the Nadim Group, a company with a solid record of excellence in infrastructure development. Our portfolio spans across roads, bridges, and other civil engineering works that directly impact lives and communities. Our assurance to deliver this project on time is grounded not only on intent, but in our proven track record of delivering projects within Nigeria, and particularly in our dear FCT. Projects such as the access road to the AFCC Academy at Giri District, commissioned last July, the Sunrise Water Park in Asokoro, the infrastructure works at the TYDF Tower, and many, many other projects. The TYDF Tower is right by our right hand here, overlooking this flag of ground, remains a testament to the Nadim Group's capacity to deliver on time and to the highest standards. We extend our profound gratitude to the FCT Minister in specific and to the FCT administration in general for entrusting us with this significant responsibility. Your Excellency, Mr. Projects, whoever gave you this title, he served you very well, and you deserve it, sir. Your unwavering commitment to the transformation of Abuja is both commendable and inspiring. It compels us to align our expertise and energy with your vision and that of Mr. President. We are not only proud to be part of this plan, but deeply privileged to be partners in this shared purpose. Barring unforeseen circumstances, we are confident in delivering and commissioning this project within 1 year. We fully recognize the weight and the trust placed in us, and in response, we pledged nothing less than our total commitment, professionalism without compromise, quality without question, and safety without exception. In closing, we extend our sincere appreciation to the Honorable Minister, Barrister Ezenwu Nyeson Wike, for flagging off this noble project and for his steadfast dedication to the progressive development of the FCT. I thank you all dignitaries, the guests, for sharing these beautiful moments with us. I thank the staff members of Levant and Nadim Group and my family for their support, for being around to witness the gorgeous flag off ceremony. God bless you all. God bless the FCT. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Mr. Tanus, did you hear the guy at your back? He said agreement is agreement. You said you will not compromise on quality. It will be safe and it will be delivered in 1 year. Agreement? Thank you very much. Let's put our hands together for him, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. So it means that in 1 year, families that were separated by this distance, some in the central area, some in Wuse, will be able to hold family meeting. Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. We appreciate you. Before I came here this morning, I went to see my doctor. And I appreciate doctors because they have kept me alive due to so many things, but they have kept me alive. So I was telling my doctor, the consultant this morning, that I feel like writing a poem for doctors. He said I should go ahead. So this is what I have. As the sun rises, the doctor's journey begins. There is a story to hear, a face to see, a soul to touch. It's always illness and cure, a heart with compassion, a soul with passion, a mind with precision. And that describes our Honorable Minister of State for FCT. I welcome you, Dr. Maria Mahmood.
Thank you very much, the Director of Ceremony, for this very sweet and touching poem for my colleagues and myself as a medical doctor. Your Excellency, the Chairman, Senate Committee on FCT Area Council and Ancillary Matters, distinguished Senator David Jumkuta, His Excellency, the Honorable Minister of Federal Capital Territory Administration, Barrister Dr. Ezomoyel Sunwike, CON, Life Venture, Mr. Project. All other members of the National Assembly that are here, our political party leaders and associates, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I acknowledge you all. It is with a great humility and gratitude I stand before you this afternoon to deliver a vote of thanks as always at this flag off of the construction of a transitway N2 connecting the central area and Wuse District with 2 strategic bridges. First and foremost, we give thanks to Almighty for giving us the opportunity to witness this very important day. And on behalf of His Excellency, Mr. Project, Barrister Ezomoyel Sunwike, and the Federal Capital Territory Administration, we extend our profound gratitude to His Excellency, the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for his unwavering commitment to infrastructure development in FCT and the nation at large. This project is yet another testimony of the renewed hope agenda of His Excellency, Mr. Project. Thank you very much, Mr. Project, for all you've been doing as the monitor and the driver of these initiatives and successes. I would like to acknowledge and also appreciate the leadership of the National Assembly and all members of the National Assembly for their consistent support, collaboration, and legislative backing that are bringing our projects to fruition. We appreciate you so well. Our contractors, engineers, and professionals, we thank you as always for your dedication, resilience, and diligence. For the people of Central Area and also the Wuse District, we appreciate you for your support and understanding. And we also want to urge you to be patient, as when we start this work, there might be a temporary inconveniences. But when the project is complete, I assure you that the benefits will outweigh the challenges. For all our other stakeholders that are here, our supporters, the media crew, everybody that has come to witness this important occasion. And also our mothers, while Mama is looking at me, we really appreciate your support always. We appreciate everybody that has come here, and we really appreciate your support and cooperation that you've given us for us to succeed. Thank you very much. For God bless you all. May God bless.
Can we appreciate her one more time? Thank you very much. Thank you. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the same young cameraman that said he was ready to give a word to the minister came to me this morning and said, tag him the man with mission and vision. I have delivered your message if you are listening. And so he now inspired me to say this about our minister. In the night of doubt and fear, a guiding leader shines ever clear. Not to overpower, but to lead with wisdom's light and selfless deed. A leader's strength lies not in voice so loud, but in quiet amongst the crowd. With grace he guides, a true leader, our guiding star. For him, it is not about fame, but lighting the path of others. And like Davido said, he believes that we rise by lifting others. A beacon in the darkest night. That describes our Honorable Minister. I welcome you, Honorable Minister, Barrister Ezewon Nyesom Wike Seal.
Your Excellencies, dear distinguished senators and members of the House of Representatives, the Honorable Minister of FCT, State, Dr. Madam Mahmood, the National Secretary of our party, the Zonal Vice Chairman of APC South, the Chairman, Senate Committee, Area Council, and other ancillary matters, Senator Zunkutu, the Managing Director and staff of Levante Group, Chief of Staff, Acting Head of Service and Chairman, Civil Service Commission of FCT, Mandate Secretaries, Permanent Secretaries, and Directors, our dear women who have always given us support, our youth, heads of security agencies that are here, our dear traditional rulers, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 3rd of October 2025. We're here today to connect from men to the Wuse District to the central area. How did I know about this place? In one of our inspection period, right from where you have the T.Y. Danjuma Foundation. And I want to commend our elder statesman for taking the bold shape to start the construction of that road from that side. And when I came, I said, these are citizens who mean well for our people. After all, he was not going to be the only person that will use that road. So I told the Executive Secretary, FCD, we'll take it over from there and then link up to Wuse with 2 bridges. I'm happy to the glory of God. We're here today to flag it off. And just like the Emergency Director of the Levantine has assured, I'll be on their neck day and night. We have so many projects to showcase in the 3rd year anniversary of Mr. President. And I believe that this is one of them. So, Mr. Managing Director and your team, you have a lot of work to do. Don't bother about the rain. It will soon stop. And then you have to start fully. We have said severally, and will continue to say, no development in any city without good network of roads. When all the cities are linked with good network of roads, then you talk about that city to becoming a modern city. Then you talk about development in that city. Road infrastructure attracts investment. We have one of our investors from Dubai, who, of course, trying to build Abuja City Walk. If the infrastructures are not there, they won't come. But because they know and they saw the infrastructure revolution in Abuja, they said we are going to replicate the Dubai City Walk and want to have Abuja City Walk. So, Mr. Investor, I thank you very much. We are going to start again to total rehabilitation of not less than 40 schools after this road infrastructure. That, of course, will add to not less than 70 schools that are ongoing. Almost 45 have been completed and well finished. And then I said again, we begin to look into the issue of health. I believe those who are in charge of health must sit up to know that time waits for nobody. If you don't know how to be athletic to meet up, go and ask those who know how to meet up with the speed I work with. Go and meet the ESFCD, go and meet the coordinator of SCD. They will tell you how to meet up with me. It's very key. Because, like I said, no sector will be left. By the directive of Mr. President, every sector must be touched. And it is for those of you who are primarily in charge that will kickstart it and let us believe that you are serious. Each time Executive Secretary of FCD, he does not sleep. Day and night, his phones are not off. Coordinator STD, his phones are not off. They know the implication of their phones being off. If your phones are off, it means you're not prepared for the job. Your phones must be on because I may call you at any time. And that's the way it is. Education, the same thing. When we are doing the bus terminals, the Managing Secretary of Transport was looking for excuses to transport us for medical. I said there's no medical. You finish your job before you go medical. He said if you die, if you die, population is too high. So you better do your work. So, If you know that you want your job, your own area to be noticed by this country, by the administration, keep your phones on 24 hours. Director of Security, we have built not less than 12 police stations. Up to now, if not come to tell me how many are ready. The day I go and find out, the day you go to the Institute of Policy Studies, so you will allow another person to do the job. Director is not to wear abada, it's not to wear black cap. The assignment is to see that you hand over the police stations so that we have improved security. So my dear brothers and sisters, it has not been easy. The flag off and commissioning will continue till almost the 20th of October. And then for November, we'll start to commission some other projects which we think are very vital, which we think are very important to grow the economy of the FCT and improve the landscape of the FCT. I told you when you are doing your work, people may hate you. They may not have the job. All those who hate us are using the roads. All those who hate us will use the water. All those who hate us, they will use the street light. It's our opportunity to provide for them, so you don't need to worry yourself. Indeed, nobody hates us. Just that they're looking for opportunity to come closer to us. And because we are very strict, the only way they can come closer to us is to blackmail us. Unfortunately, we don't know the meaning of blackmail. There's no blackmail in our dictionary. The only thing we do in our dictionary is to walk and walk and walk and walk to the satisfaction of our people. On that note, let me invite our dear leaders from the Honorable Minister of FCT to join us as we flag off this end-to central area to link up with Wuse District so that we continue to beautify our city.